Hey everybody, welcome to TBK Homeworld, and in this video we're going to be going over this really cool torque wrench for your lug nuts. So here at TBK Homeworld, we are in the process of moving from Texas up to a northern state called Alaska. We're really excited about the process, but with that, we want to have certain creature comforts while we're on the road. In case we have a blowout, I decided to pick up this really cool preset torque wrench for all of our lug nuts. I really like the idea of this because if you have a torque wrench, then you know you typically have to turn the dial or you have to press the little buttons to get it where you need it to be. This is extremely simple to use, and I wanted something that was going to be fast, so if we are on the side of the road, it's extremely quick and we're not in danger any longer than we have to be. So let me go ahead and pull this out so I can show you what it's like, because we've already been using this thing. And it's at the bottom of my Ryobi pack out system here. And there's one thing I really don't like about this system. I like how it all interconnects. I think that part is really cool. I like that you can use it with the link system on the wall. That part is really cool. I love having the different options. I can have just a regular old chest, or I can have 3 drawers, or I can have 2 drawers. But what I really hate about this thing so much is to get into the bottom, you gotta undo the entire stack, and there's no swapping this out. This is the only thing you can have on the base. Anyway, here we have the tool stuck in the bottom of my setup. So the reason I really wanted to pick up something like this is because you can very easily change the setting. We start at 80 foot-pounds. If you want to go up to 100, you pull on the lock and you switch it to 100. And it goes in 20-pound increments. So we have 80, 100, we have 120, 140, and then 160. Whatever you want it on, you then pop on your lock and you know you are good to go. We've used this now on some trailer tires and on our truck tires, and we really like having the feature with it. It has a long enough neck, and with a deep well socket, this thing works great. You don't have to put any extensions on here. It has the reach that you're looking for. It also has a long enough arm that even if you're going up to 160 foot-pounds, you can very easily use your body to push down and make sure that you are hitting those torque numbers that you need to hit. The other thing I really like about this unit is the snap on it whenever you do hit your torque value is very positive. You know when you hit that torque value, and it makes it extremely simple to use. I do like the digitals. The only downside with the digital though is you don't get a positive interaction with the tool. You might have the beep, but that stop that happens with the click, I really enjoy having that click, especially whenever it comes to something like lug nuts. Now, we picked this particular tool up whenever it was on sale, and I am super, super glad that we did. It has truly made doing this job so much easier. So much, in fact, I've seriously considered purchasing one of these for each of my vehicles, putting it with the tire changing area of the vehicle, and keeping it in each vehicle, because it really makes it that simple and easy to torque your lug nuts down on the side of the road. You know, it's a really simple product, but it's these types of simple products that make our lives easier. And if you're doing a job of a tire changer, if you are in the industry of doing that, I would really recommend picking one of these up. If you're stuck with one of those older ones where you have to pull the knob and twist and twist and twist, or you have to do a digital up and down, you may have one that's already set on memory, but you also know that if you push a little too hard, then you can go easily 20, 30, even 40 foot-pounds past the recommended torque specifications. This is going to get those torque specs extremely quickly and easily. So if you are in the industry, I would highly recommend giving this thing a shot and seeing if you like it or not. So my question to you is, have you tried this thing out? Have you been picking it up and using it? If you are in the industry of changing tires, do you use something like this, and do you like having it? I definitely do, but I would love to hear from you all. As always, here at TBK Homeworld, we love interacting with everybody out there, and we always try to highlight one really cool comment at the end of every video, comments like this one. Thank you very, very much for leaving that comment. And just to make sure everybody is aware, we are in the process of moving, so our videos right now are not going to be consistent, unfortunately, with our upload schedule. However, whenever we find really cool tools like this, we'll be sure to bring them to you, even if they're really short videos, because this is real world experience. This is us using these things, and we want to make sure that we bring these really cool tools to you so that you know if you should buy them or not. And as always, here at TBK Homeworld, remember, keep your tools sharp and your batteries charged, and we will catch you on the next one.